GoPro Hero 12. I got this at the same time I got the DJI Action 4. This one had a special deal, and it came with an extra battery. This says for the 11, but it also worked for the 12 because they share the same battery. Let's open this up. GoPro has some great deals sometimes, especially during the fall. And as soon as they release a camera, they already have discounts. And if you're part of the subscriber to their whatever their program is, you pay like $50 a year. You get these upgrades for a discount as well, and you get all of their accessories for a discount. I'm not sponsored by GoPro. I used to be a subscriber. I'm not a subscriber anymore, but I remembered when I subscribed, whenever a new camera came out, and it looks like a new one's coming out every year, you get a little discount, and all the accessories you get a discount. I think it's worth it if you're into action cameras and you go through them and you use a lot of them. I think it's worth it, but otherwise, for the average user who only uses it one and done, I don't think you need that subscription. The previous two, I think it's the 10 and the 11, came with a bigger box with a case. This one, from what I've been looking at online, does not come with a case, and people are disappointed. Some information, good graphic artwork design. They want you to subscribe so that they get more money, which is fine. And there you go. You have one battery, USB-C to USB-A. You get one of their clips, and I think you get one of their, the stickies. So I don't use the stickies, but I do use an extra thumb screw. I don't use the sticky thing. And then the camera. Okay, the selling point with this body, I'm told from all the reviews that this is just so similar to the previous model that if you don't want some of the upgrades that this gives you, you really can't tell the difference between the 12 and the 11. But I will put that to the test because I have an 11 right here. This 11 has some little extras. I have, this is an extra for the 11, the quarter 20 mount that it's replaceable, and then this is from a Ulanzi, and that gives an opening for the USB-C and a cold shoe, but it does remove the water resistance because once you put this on, water can get in there, so you don't want to go anywhere close to the beach. This GoPro has a little bit of, I thought it was like a military front cover here, but yeah. Here's the previous model. Same size, right? Yeah, same exact size. The older 11 had a red button. This one has not a red button. But on the bottom, it has that quarter 20 that they should have just done from the beginning, because these third-party manufacturers that gave this upgrade, it's been working pretty well. And they feel like the same quality. 11, 12. 11, 12. All right, so I'm going to just do a side-by-side test comparison of the footage. I think a lot of people have been doing this. Mine's going to be no different. I'm just going to shoot something. My images that I'm going to shoot are going to be a little different, but I think it's just so similar. I'm going to try to match the settings because I know there are some improved video features, codecs here, but I'm going to try to match the best that the 11 can do to the similar settings of the 12 and see if the 12 has better quality footage when everything else is equal to the 11. In my initial test of the GoPro 11 to the 12, I can't tell really the difference in quality. Not much upgrades besides already having the built-in quarter 20 mount there. I don't really see any other advantages with the body design. I haven't really put the 12 to the test, to stress test it compared to the 11. I think they're very similar. So if you have an 11, or if you see a really great deal on 11, just get the 11 and buy this accessory down here, this quarter 20 accessory, and you'll get pretty much the 12. But if you see a deal on the 12, on Black Friday or something, or during the holidays, 12 is good. I would always, just because I can, get the latest and greatest.